Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Viber messages are not sending, do not worry. This is usually caused by network issue. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Now, look at the message status. If it is showing pending, then connect to your internet connection. Then that means your internet connection may be weak. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for what Viber. Swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few while and then reopen it. Then try sending the message again. If it still does not send, restart your phone to refresh the system. Now, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Viber and make sure to update the app to the latest version. You can also check if other person is online or has blocked you. Now your messages should send properly again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.